Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can sign in on Dopa for beginners. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Dopa app on your phone, and then this is how the app gonna open up. Now to choose your preferred language, I'm gonna be choosing English, and then I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna be allowing it for location for my app, and this is how it's simply gonna be opened up. If I go to my accounts, this is how it's gonna look like: my bookings, my reviews and currency, etc, etc, and the sign in at the bottom. Now all I gotta do is simply add in the email and password for me to sign in, but I don't have in an account, so I'm going to choose this option of, so I'm just going to tap on this option of sign up and enter the information accordingly, which is my first name, last name, my email, password, and I'll confirm password, and I'll tap on the sign up option at the bottom, and I will be able to create myself an account. And that's how easy it is, right? So this is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.